Okay, today we are looking at faucet internals and how to replace the cartridges. Okay, so here's sort of a ubiquitous 4-inch center set bathroom faucet. To view the internals, I'm going to start by removing these two Phillips head screws that allow this plastic cover to pop off. We replaced this faucet because this piece broke off, just FYI. And unscrew the aerator. Now, if you need to replace the cartridges because the faucet isn't shutting off or you notice a leak from the cartridges under the handle, there's usually a small Allen set screw on the side of the handle that you'll need to unscrew to remove the handle, or you may have a Phillips head screw on the top of your handle that you need to remove to access the cartridge. With the handle removed, I'll remove the handle from the other side. There we go. You can see the white cartridges there. To access the cartridges, I first need to remove these bonnet nuts. Just wiggle them, they should pull out, and they just pop out like so. And there's also a seal down inside there that you'll want to replace. So I'd recommend taking your parts into your local home center and matching them up so you get the correct ones. Or look closely on the body of the faucet or the cartridge for a manufacturer's name or part number. And be sure to orient the cartridge properly when installing the new one. I hope this information helps you. So now you know what the inside of a faucet looks like. But again, get those seals down inside there as well. You may have to pick them out with a small pick. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.